This is still lesson 7.8, but giving another method on how to rename fractions to subtract. This time they're going to be taking both mixed numbers and renaming them. I do tell the kids I think this has more steps to it, and renaming just the top fraction the other way I feel is a little bit simpler, but some of the kids really like it this way, which is fine as well. So I have 6 2/5 minus 3 4/5. I notice that I can't do 2/5 minus 4/5, and so this time I'm going to completely rename both fractions into an improper fraction. So I'm going to take 5 times 6, which gets me 30, and then I add my numerator, so I have 32 over 5, and then I have 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 4 gives me 19 fifths. And then off to the side, I always just tell them to take their numerators and rewrite it to subtract, because it's a little bit easier. Kids know to regroup when they subtract, and then they would have 13 fifths. But they then have to take this and turn it back into a mixed number. They could use long division, but for me I can just say, well, I know 5 goes into 13 2 times, and then I would have 3 left over, and my denominator stays the same. Again, this has a ton of steps compared to just renaming the top mixed number, but some of the kids enjoy doing this because it works on all of the skills we've been practicing for quite a while. Here's the next one. We have 9 1/4 minus 5 3/4. Take 9 times 4, which is 36, plus my numerator gives me 37 over 4. And I'm going to subtract the bottom one, but I have to rename it. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23 fourths. Again, just coming over here and doing the subtraction for the numerator. And then I would have 14 fourths. You could do long division, but I know 14 times 3 is 12, and I would have 2 left over and keep my denominator. Boys and girls, I hope you see what 2/4 is equivalent to, and that you could simplify to get 3 1/2. One more time to show. We have 7 times 9, which is 63, plus 2 gives me 65 over 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 7 gives me 34. Nice. I cut off to the side, do 65 minus 34. 1 and 3, so I have 31 ninths. I know 9 times 3 is 27. That gets me my whole number. And then 27 up to 31 would be 4 ninths. I cannot simplify any more than that, so that is my final answer. Boys and girls, I would like you to practice these two problems using this method that's done in this video, and bring your steps to class as soon as you can. Thank you.